your bath too.
Ducky too.
Look at all the presents you have.
What is that?
Truck.
A giant cement truck.
Open it.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear James. Happy birthday to you.
Can you blow
How
out the candles?
old are you?
George, do you want to help a little bit, George?
Yeah, I think we
1, 2, 3. Help a lot. Your brother helped you a lot. You want to tell him thank you? Yeah. Wow, that's a special cookie.
I think you're done, James.
Who made that?
No.
You know what? He can probably
You
get
know
it.
what?
That's his.
Nose.
No?
He's showing with his nose.
Yeah. It's clocking.
Wow, they overtorqued it.
25. 24. No, that's 25. 26. Aha! 26. Aha!
Ready? You ready to catch it?
Yeah.
You need both hands. You ready?
Yeah.
Here it comes.